What's going on, Rock Customs family and YouTube? We got a new video out, but before we get into this video, I want to let you know we got a website that just dropped not too long ago for you to go order customs, for you to go order stencils, because I know y'all still need stencils for your custom shoes, or fabric. We're going to be adding fabric on there. But in the meantime, we're going to get into this shoe. This is an Adidas that we're going to be working on. I don't know if we're going to keep it simple or if we're going to go intricate with it, but you stay, watch the full video. It'll be quick. Don't leave. You're going to enjoy it. Let's go.